This is just a quick video to demonstrate how to use 7-zip or WinZip to password protect and encrypt documents and then send them out via email. You can do it with any number of files, but we use 7-zip as a company, and you need to have 7-zip installed on your PC. If you don't have it installed, IT can install it for you. If you want to check, if you click on Windows icon and then go to 7-zip is what you're looking for, should be in your top 4 or 5 applications. If it's not there, scan down and have a look, but it should be up here somewhere. And that's what you're looking for, 7-zip. So if you've got that installed, this process will work. You don't need to open up the application. What you need to do is have some files. So if I navigate to my desktop quickly, what I'm looking for is just some files to demonstrate, and I use this one here, and this one here as an example. So these 3 files I want to encrypt, password protect, because I'm going to say that it's got client data inside. So I've highlighted those 3 files, right click, go to 7-zip and add to an archive. Now you can see here it's suggested a name for the file. I'm going to call it test1. And you need to keep the zip file extension. None of the other details you need to change, as long as the format is WinZip here, that's fine. And really you want the encryption method as AES256. That's 256-bit encryption, and I'm going to add a password here. So reconfirm the password. It's now reconfirmed. Click OK. And what that's doing is it's compressed those 3 files. The 3 files still remain there, so it's compressed it, put it into a folder, as you can see here, and it's password protected that file. So all I need to do now is go back to email. So I'm going to email this to my client. Now for this example, so I'm going to email it to myself. Just browsing to my desktop. My folder was test1. Add that to my email. Okay, so it's now added the folder to the file, or sorry, the folder to the email. So I'm just going to give it a quick title. And send that. Okay, so that's now sent. So from the client's perspective, they get an email that's come in from you. Open up the email. Okay. Now what they will need to do is save the file to a location. So if I double click on it here, for example, and open, that's not going to work. You see, they can see the files that are in the folder, but they can't actually open it up. It's not prompting for a password. So what they need to do is save the folder. We're going to save it to just any folder, so downloads, and navigate to your folder. There's the file that I've just saved. Now you've got two choices here. If you highlight the file, you can extract it. So go to 7-zip and extract files. And this is prompting me for a password. If I wanted to change the location of where I'm extracting it to, I could, but I'm just going to keep it here for the time being. But I do need to enter my password. Click OK. And you can see now that's extracted a folder that's unzipped. So it's unzipped the folder. Double click on it now. You can see this is now opening up the documents. Now, in the same way, what I could have done, let's just go back to the downloads. You could also open up the, so this is the one that I saved originally. If I highlight that and click, right click, go to 7-zip, I could open the archive. So you can see that this has opened it up inside the archive itself. And again, I could double click on it and it will prompt me for a password. So you've got two options. You can either open it or you can extract it. This way, if I do choose the open option, it's going to prompt me for a password every time I want to open one of those up, one of these files up. Alternatively, if I did the extraction, it creates a separate folder, and I can then open up all of the files and unencrypt at the same time. So there's two different ways of doing it. Essentially, it's up to you which way you want to do it. As you can see, this is, if I did the extraction, they're all now open. I don't think it's not going to prompt me for putting the password in, because I've already put the password in when I extracted them. That's it. Thank you very much. If your clients need to download 7-zip, if they don't have WinZip or 7-zip, it's a free download. Just Google 7-zip and they'll be able to download it. It's a free piece of software. It's open source. And that's all there is. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.